हाय एवरीवन। मेरा नाम गीता है और मैं एक ऑथर हूँ। आप सब तो जानते ही हो कि मैं अपने चैनल पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप की वीडियोस लाती ही रहती हूँ। बट आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी स्पेशल होने वाली है क्योंकि ये वीडियो है हमारी फर्स्ट एवर मीशो हॉल। यस, एंड मैंने मीशो से ऑर्डर की है कुछ बुक्स। ऑफ कोर्स मैं एक रीडर और ऑथर साथ में हूँ तो मैं दोनों चीजें ही करती रहती हूँ, राइटिंग के साथ साथ रीडिंग भी। और एज अ राइटर आई फील दैट लर्निंग शुड नेवर स्टॉप। तो बाय कीपिंग दैट थिंग इन माइंड मैंने कुछ बुक्स ऑर्डर की हैं। कुछ तो नहीं, मतलब 2-3 बुक्स ही ऑर्डर की हैं। लेट्स ओपन दीज बुक्स एंड सी कि मैंने कौन कौन से बुक्स ऑर्डर की हैं। So let's not waste any more time and get started. Okay, so it's time to open the first book. मैंने एक्चुअली में 3 बुक्स ऑर्डर की हैं और जो तीनों बुक्स हैं तीनों मुझे अलग अलग पार्सल में रिसीव हुई हैं। तो जो बुक मुझे सबसे पहले रिसीव हुई, सबसे पहले मैं वही बुक ओपन करने जा रही हूँ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट। दिस इज द फर्स्ट बुक। वेल, लेट मी टेल यू ये बुक इतनी स्पेशल क्यों है, मैंने क्यों सडनली बुक्स ऑर्डर की। सो यू नो, लर्निंग हमारी कभी भी खत्म नहीं होती है। आई फील इट, एंड टू इम्प्रूव माई वोकेबलरी, टू इम्प्रूव माई राइटिंग, आई फील आई शुड रीड मोर बुक्स। And so I did a little bit of research and also consulted with an expert called ChatGPT. And ChatGPT suggested me these books. So yeah, finally I ordered these books and fine, and within a few days these were in my hand. And just look at this, how good the packing is. I just hope books are also good. First time I am actually trusting an AI to make some purchase, especially regarding the books. So I hope ChatGPT will not disappoint me, and trust me, you will love it. This is so good. Just check it out. I think this is the laws of human nature. I want to understand human emotions in a deep way. So because of that, I ordered this book and I hope it will help me to understand, to write the emotions in a better way. So let's hope for the best and move to the next book. Okay, so now it's time to open the second parcel, and this is the parcel. Let me open it first. I just hope these books will really help me. I have a very high hope with these books. Or I was not expecting that the law of human nature would be this thick. I was wondering it might be a few pages, maybe 200 or 250 plus, but this is too much. But never mind. I don't mind reading it as long as it helps me with my writing and to understand human nature. And the second book is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. And let me tell you, this book is suggested to me by ChatGPT as well, and I really wish it will help me with my vocabulary. In one of my videos, someone commented that you should learn to speak in English first. Yeah, of course, in a taunting way, but never mind. I don't mind someone saying that. And I'm not going to justify myself that I am an author. So let's ignore them. The thing is, which I feel, also I do not wanted to say this in this video, but I think कि आज के टाइम में लोग ना बहुत इंसेंसिटिव होते जा रहे हैं दूसरे इंसान के इमोशंस को लेके, उनकी कमियों को लेके, दैट दे ट्राई टू डिमीन देम बाय पॉइंटिंग आउट दोज you know those things, but they really don't know that the person जिसे वो point out कर रहे हैं उसे पहले से अपनी कमियां पता है, and by saying this you are not actually demeaning that person, you are actually showing who you are as a person. So that's why I try to ignore this kind of people or comments, but yes, I try to reply to that person on that video, but we'll talk about it some other day. So here it is. This is the second book and I wish it will help me a lot. So it's time for the third book, and that is something very, 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 very special. Finally, the third book. I have received this book this morning, and here I am making this miso haul because I was eagerly waiting for receiving these books so that I can make this video, and finally I got it. This book is very popular. I have seen this book in a lot of reels. People are praising it a lot. I just hope I will not get traumatized by reading it because it is a little traumatic, but I don't mind. I can deal with anything in my life now, so I can deal with this book as well. So let's see how it is. Oh wow, I got one bookmark as well. Wow, just one more chapter. Just look at this, how beautiful it is. And guess what I have got? धर्मवीर भारती की गुनाहों का देवता. Oh my God, I really wanted to read a Hindi book. This is first ever book, जो मैं पढ़ने जा रही हूँ जो हिंदी में है, क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने हिंदी नॉवेल्स, हिंदी कहानियां नहीं पढ़ी हैं. दिस इज माई फर्स्ट वन एंड आई होप कि अच्छी ही होगी. ऑफकोर्स ये अच्छी होगी क्योंकि इतनी तारीफें जो सुनी है मैंने. सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. So that's it for today. Let me show you my books one more time. And here. These are the three books that I have received. Gunaho Ka Devta, Word Power Made Easy, and The Laws of Human Nature. That's it for today. Do let me know if you have read this book, or if you haven't, will you give it a try? If you are new on this channel, if you are seeing me for the first time on this channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I would be so happy to hear from you and all the readers out there. And till then, हम बहुत जल्द मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.